Why is effective communication the key to influence? First, let me tell you all, where does communication begin? Do you all know? Communication starts far earlier than people can imagine. Communication starts right from the womb. Research scientists from Hungary and Netherlands have revealed that newborns as young as 2 days old can perceive auditory rhythms, can remember auditory rhythms. This indicates that the brain activity processing and storing auditory information levels. I believe the most important communication is the communication with yourself. Hi everyone, this is Natasha Advani, a transformational trainer and coach and dance exploration expert and a cancer survivor. Why do I say best communication is communication with self? Because what helped me in my cancer journey was self-talk to myself. I had to choose. Yes, it is a terrifying word. C stands for cancer and C also stands for courage. I chose the latter one. As it is said by research and healing and mindset, research suggests that positive thinking and affirmations can influence in physical healing. Studies on cellular processes reveal that our thoughts and emotions can affect our body functions, promoting resilience and recovery. Reframing challenges through self-communication strengthens mental fortitude, helping individuals not only ourselves but also patients. When people used to see me, they were shocked. They couldn't believe I was a cancer patient, because through my laughter and my empathy to other patients and my positive affirmations toward myself, helping people help me also to overcome this disease. Positive self-talk also influenced not only me but also others. My laughter and optimism helped those around me, and this was only possible through communication. As communication isn't just about words, it's about energy and feelings. As we all know, communication are in various forms: written, oral, non-verbal and verbal. My non-verbal communication through laughing, carrying myself to grace, helped me and also other patients. I contributed to their lives. Effective communication is the foundation of strong relationships and personal growth. It allows us to express our thoughts, listen actively, and connect meaningful and influence others. Whether you're navigating a challenging situation, whether you're navigating a challenging conversation, or simply looking at strengthening your connections, communication is the key. According to a famous trainer, Tony Robbins, the way we communicate with others and with ourselves ultimately determines our life. Effective communication also, when we share our emotions and talk, we also heal, we also release our emotions, and this helps us also to foster connections. By encouraging others through my verbal and non-verbal communications, we create a ripples of positivity in the society. Active listening and empathy also deepens our bonds for ourselves and others, and thereby fostering love and trust to everyone. Communication is not only a lifelong journey beginning from birth and continuing through the moment of our life, whether it's unspoken rhythms of a baby hears in the womb, or the affirmations we give ourselves in challenging situations, or we offer encouragement to others. Communication is the quality of our experience, as I believe all this would not be possible if we didn't have communications. And as next month is World Cancer Day on 4th February, and the theme is United by Unique. Behind every diagnosis is a unique story of grief, healing, resilience, love, and more. And it's very important to really contribute to people who are going through this disease. So United by Unique is not only about medical treatment, it's also giving empathy, love, care, and emotional support to others. And all this was only be possible through communication. That's how I influence not only myself but also other people through communication. Thank you.